So there is a massive update for Dogecoin coming from a major firm. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why it is so important for Doge and its holders. So the biggest news of the day is that the users of Apple Pay will soon be able to utilize the iPhone's Tap to Pay function to make crypto payments to a range of popular stores and services shortly. Just recently, Apple revealed plans to include the new feature that essentially transforms its smartphone into a point-of-sale device for companies and merchants. And with the use of NFC, iPhone-owning businesses will be able to accept contactless payments by using their mobile devices as a point-of-sale machine. And although this feature is going to be launching with Stripe at first, Apple has stated that the Tap to Pay feature will be available shortly and would expand support to contactless credit and debit cards and other digital wallets. So this means that crypto holders who use Coinbase Card, Visa Card, or a similar payment card will be able to utilize their crypto holdings to make payments through Tap to Pay. And it is highly likely that Apple is going to give support to crypto payments because we know that Apple CEO Tim Cook has a crypto-friendly approach. Back in November 2021, he even disclosed his personal purchase of cryptos as part of a diversified portfolio. And now as Apple made this official announcement of the upcoming payment feature, Tim Cook has hinted towards acceptance of crypto payments on this upcoming feature. So we can see here that he has stated that Apple just introduced Tap to Pay on iPhone, and it is a great way for millions of small businesses to accept contactless payments right from their iPhones. And it is easy, secure, and will be coming out later this year with many options. So this is a very important development since crypto payments on Apple devices will make it easy for consumers and merchants to convert and spend cryptos. All in all, this upcoming payment feature from Apple is going to make it easier and streamlined for both buyers and sellers to use crypto payments. And as a result, we will be seeing mass crypto adoption once this upcoming feature goes live. While this is a very positive update for every crypto, I think that Dogecoin is going to benefit more from it. This is because we know that Dogecoin has the lowest transaction fees and the most convenient transaction process compared to all other cryptos in the market. So this makes it a lot more convenient and smoother for users to make payments by using Dogecoin as they don't have to pay hefty transaction fees. Likewise, it is equally beneficial for merchants to accept Dogecoin payments. And this is why I think that once Apple officially releases its new payments feature later this year, a majority of users and merchants will prefer to use Dogecoin. In fact, we can see here that more than 2K retail merchants are already accepting Dogecoin payments and reaping benefits of it. And this just shows us how more and more firms are preferring Dogecoin payments. And this is one of the characteristics of Dogecoin that Elon Musk praises and highlights. We know that Elon Musk has been a vocal promoter of Dogecoin, and he has often stated that Dogecoin is the most usable currency for payment purposes. And this utility of Doge is also the main reason why Tesla is now accepting Dogecoin payments for its merchandise. Moreover, we also know that Elon Musk has been working with Dogecoin developers with plans of making it convenient and cheap to use for everyday purchases like movie tickets and a cup of coffee. And this means that Dogecoin's transaction fee will get much lower than it is today, and this will help it in getting mainstream adoption in the future. So the point is that there are many benefits for both buyers and sellers if they use Dogecoin for payments. And I think that this is why Apple's upcoming payment feature is going to benefit Doge the most. And seeing all these things, I think that there will be a massive surge in Dogecoin's adoption in 2022 and beyond. And I think Dogecoin's mass adoption is going to be one of the biggest catalysts that will drive its price to new highs in the long term. And now, there are some other important updates for Dogecoin and other cryptos that I think every holder needs to know about. But I'll come to it later. Let's first come to Dogecoin's current price movement. So we can see here that right after this latest news from Apple, the price of Dogecoin has started to shoot up. We know that Dogecoin was moving sideways by the time I made my previous video, but it appears that Apple's announcement has given investors massive confidence, and they are now coming back to the cryptos market, especially for Dogecoin. And this is exactly why we are now seeing this slight upward movement for Doge. However, I don't think that Doge is going to surge massively right away. It will show some positive movement, but this update from Apple is going to be more beneficial over the long term. In any case, I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm just expressing my opinion here, so it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And with that being said, let's come to the overall crypto market for a minute. So the overall crypto market has also started to move up again at the time when it was looking like cryptos are going to move sideways. And I think this slight surge is happening due to this latest update from Apple. However, there are some more positive updates as well that are the prices of cryptos to the upside. And I'll discuss them in the latter part of this video. Let's first come to Ethereum for a minute. So we are now seeing that Ethereum is continuing to remain in an accumulation phase for the past few days. And it appears that more and more investors are now buying ETH as they are expecting it to move to the upside in the near future. And this accumulation phase for Bitcoin between the 2K to 4K range is very bullish, and it is highly likely that Ethereum is going to hit higher prices. So seeing this, I think that if Ethereum manages to fully come out of the current sideways market structure, it will make some massive moves by June or July this year. And another important thing for ETH is that it is looking to hit the 3.5K price level in the coming sessions, as it has now reclaimed a historically strong support level. So we are now seeing that Ethereum's price is back above its 50-week exponential moving average, which is a credible support level from the 2020-2021 market boom. And we can see here that it served as a strong accumulation zone during the market correction in the second and third quarters last year, pushing ETH from around 1.7K to as high as 4.9K. So the point is that reclaiming the 50-week EMA as support has opened up the possibility of additional upside moves toward the next resistance target near the 20-week EMA. And since it comes to be around 3.5K, it is now highly likely that Ethereum is going to move up to the 3.5K level now. And now, as promised, let's come to some other massive updates for Dogecoin and other cryptos that I think every holder needs to see. So stock brokerage firm DriveWealth has recently entered the crypto industry by launching 2 subsidiaries designed to allow its partners to offer crypto trading to retail investors. Moreover, DriveWealth has launched Drive Digital as a subsidiary crypto exchange, and it plans on providing API access to its partners to allow retail investors to make trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is positive news since it will open up doors for more traders to start investing in cryptos like Bitcoin and ETH, and this will eventually increase crypto adoption. And talking about crypto adoption, Wells Fargo Investment Institute has recently released a report highlighting the potential of cryptos as an investment opportunity akin to the early days of the internet. And according to the report, the technology behind crypto is following an adoption path similar to that of the internet in the early to mid-1990s. However, like the internet, the rising number of crypto users suggests the world is beginning to embrace cryptos very quickly. And the report suggests that if this trend continues, cryptos could soon exit the early adoption phase and enter an inflection point of hyper-adoption similar to other technologies. And this will be a point where adoption rates begin to rise and do not look back. So seeing this report, I think that there is no doubt that global crypto adoption is rising and could soon hit a hyper-inflection point. And once this happens, then we will be seeing the prices of cryptos like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and others to reach new highs. And as per another update, Michael Sembalist, the chairman of investment strategy at JP Morgan, says that he was late in recognizing how big the crypto space would grow. He stated that there is now a ton of money pouring into crypto and blockchain investments, and venture capitalists have been plowing money into crypto at an accelerating pace, rivaling other innovation categories. And he also believes that crypto adoption has been rising across investor types and regions. And more importantly, while institutional ownership has been low to date, it is now growing. So this is just more and more confirmation that crypto adoption has been increasing dramatically. But this is not it. Just recently, KPMG, a major firm in Canada, has added Bitcoin and Ether to its corporate treasury. And the firm has stated that this investment reflects their belief that institutional adoption of cryptos will continue to grow and become a regular part of the asset mix. They also revealed that they will continue to enhance and build on their capabilities across decentralized finance, NFTs, and the metaverse. So these are some very positive updates for the overall crypto market. However, I believe that if we talk about crypto adoption, then Dogecoin has the most promising future. And this is exactly why I'm more bullish on it.